Welcome back to Redoes That. Today I'll be doing a braid out reveal on my long locks. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Glad to have you here.
Guys, welcome back to Redoes That. Let me make sure that my camera is clean. So today we're going to be taking down my hair from the braids I put in. We're doing a braid out of my locks. So I'm glad to have you. Remember, if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and share, and don't forget to ring that bell, please. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a takedown, if I can get these rubbers out. So yeah, I have had these up for approximately, I think it's been 4 or 5 days, which usually I don't keep them up that long. I usually keep them up for a day. You guys might want to go back. I'll post a link and catch it in the live where I braided it up. But right now I'm taking it down. As you can see, it is actually wavy. I do not have a new fresh twist. It's not a new fresh twist. I don't like the look when I first take it down because it looks so flimsy. I don't like that flimsy look and tight look. I like for my locks to be nice and loose and fluffy. I did use some hair mousse on it this time. So yeah, I want to come on and show you guys my braid out. It actually turned out really nice. It turned out nice, guys. So I'm taking it down quite fast. And that's another thing, you want to break it up a little bit. Just break them up. In a couple of days, what it'll do, it'll start to fluff out. You see from the back, yeah, I know, my roots touched up. Yes, I'm not shaving my braids though, I love my braids, but to make it look clean, I do put a rinse in from time to time, but I am working on trying to find something natural to go in my hair because I do not like to put a lot of chemicals in it. And I haven't for a very long time. But as you can see, when you're taking it down, you want to break it apart. See how pretty and nice it is? It actually looks real flimsy. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's turning out pretty though. I like for mine to look fluffy. So this is a style you can do when you're trying to save on doing like a retwist on your hair. So you know, if you want to go longer on your retwist, and this is what I do, where I'll pin and tuck. I'll show some other styles at a later time. But we're gonna rock this braid out. We're gonna rock the braid out. You wanna make sure you're breaking it up again at the scalp. And that broke up. Look how pretty, ain't that pretty? It's looking gorgeous. I know my hair is very long though. I like it. And the looser it gets, the prettier it is. Yeah. So let me see. I know one time I did a braid out, I missed the whole braid. As your locks get longer, it seems like it loses the volume. But that's why I don't like to do braid outs. I like to do like with the curl rods or the sponge rods. I don't do braid outs very often, but when I do, I put them in big chunks, not the little plaits, because the little plait makes it too like, yeah, skimpy wavy, which I don't like. And what I usually put on my tips are just these little rubbies, these, so they won't do a lot of damage to your hair. You don't have to put them on tight. I just kind of put those on the ends so my ends won't be straight. Curl the ends up. And if you guys would like me to do another video on a braid out with more detail, just let me know. Leave a comment in the bottom. Yes. And I am very glad to have you here. So let's see. I'm in my little bathroom because we're currently doing the big bathroom. So this little bathroom kills me. It's hot in here. There's no circulation. So, okay, let's see. We got that one. Make sure it's all working. It's turning out lovely. See? It's looking fabulous. It's looking fabulous. I love it. Sometimes these can be very hard to take off. I'm going to take off all of them at once instead of stopping and coming back and stopping. I am sweating. Ooh. Oh. Get this one. When I did this, I did not wash my hair. I usually just get a spray bottle. Sometimes I put the oil in the bottle. Sometimes I use this as a separate oil spray bottle to spray it. Let's get this out of here. It's coming along marvelous with my grays and all. So cute, just a minute. Ooh, look at the grays, girl. See, it's still not broke up. You gotta make sure all your hair is perfectly broke up. This will last me on for about 4 weeks or longer. It'll have the waviness will stay for about 4 weeks or longer. And that's because, again, I use water and put a little mousse on it this time so it can last a little longer, because again, like I said, I'm trying to stretch my lower perm. I ain't had perm in years. I'm trying to stretch my hair before, my new growth, so I won't have to retwist it. So you can still have pretty styles without having to have a fresh twist all the time, because twisting your hair too much also can cause it to break out. Let's see. We're almost done. We're almost done. Do you guys want to get closer? See? It's really pretty. And it's really easy. So what I did when I put it in these braids, these chunks of braids, these plaits I call them, like my grandmother used to call them back in the day, I just put it in a ponytail. I would pull my hair back, leave the front kind of in a ponytail. I mean, with the, like a little bang, and curve it around. But look at it. It's gorgeous. All ready to go. Did I miss a button on my shirt? I did. Yeah. All ready to go. So guys, tell me how you like it. And if you would like to see more of my live videos, if you would go back to my hair journey, I have short pictures of my natural hair journey from when I had a perm, it broke my hair out. And that's chapter 1. To me, stretching my hair and going natural. And then part 2 is me doing the big chop, cutting out the perm and wearing my fro. Yes, and doing some twisties. Then I got part 3 into my life journey. So that one went into the life journey. So if you want to see that, please, I'll also put a ticker up there for you guys to be able to get them. So my hair journey is up to part 5. But if you would like to see more hair videos, let me know, and I will This is some hair. So if you would like to see more hair videos on my locks, let me know. Please comment, and don't forget, please subscribe, like, and share, and make a nice comment at the bottom. I would appreciate it. Until then, you guys stay smooth and sweet, and thank you for coming to Redoes That.